12 months. So that is what we envision, that every month they will be able to deduct from what you're getting. So it will be almost similar to the people who are employed. Now, the means testing...
Where are you deducting from?
Deduct from where the woman works in my shamba.
Because the lady who is working in my 5 years shamba and is earning that much, how are you going to deduct it?
It will be similar to the Hustlers Fund.
How?
It will be fully self-alone. It's a kind of...
But 0% interest.
How will you deduct it?
From a person. Or how? Because the coolness in you answering the question is not the sole one thing.
Order, Honorable. Please, CS, how are you going to deduct that money? You can explain to Kenyans so that they know how the money is going to be deducted. Through M-Pesa, through what?
So the
Order, Chairman Shah. This is, the CS has not given you the permission to speak. It was the CS who we wanted to understand. How is the money going to be deducted for somebody who is informal? And we want the banding. How are you going to do those bands?
Yes.
How have you categorized them? That this category will pay this much, this category will pay this much. We just want that flow.
Yes, for Ministry of Education, the challenge was the bands were larger, but for us, the bands are smaller. And that is why...
Which are, just explain what that banding, what are the bands you have?
So we will give you the report for the bands, but what I can assure you is the accuracy is 95%. With the low band, and we are able to...
Orders, yes.
Yes.
We want you to give us the bands. Yeah? We want you to give us, I'm giving you the opportunity. Because Kenyans are listening. They want to see their cabinet secretary for health telling them that when you are in this, we are going to categorize you based on this means testing. Somebody who is from the means testing, we've categorized you into this band, band 1 or band A, whose income is between this and that much. Then the next category will be this band whose income is at this level based on your means testing. And this band will pay that much. We just want that.
And tell the Canad, what are the chiefs doing? You know, we saw people sit with the chiefs.
Yes. You've been educating the chiefs. So how are they going to disseminate the knowledge?
Yesterday I was in a function and a chief was there, and the chief picked me as the vice chairman of this committee. Because the chief just said, we are rolling out tomorrow, we have been told by the DCC, people should say *147#. Then there was somebody advocated from the crowd and he said, can you explain to these women the 2.75% of the earning and the annual payment? So I want the answer I should have given, and CS don't tell us you'll give us, because everything you contract you'll give us. This one you'll give us. And you leave these people of the media thinking that they have things we discuss with the ministry behind locked doors. Because this is what you put to the public tomorrow. How are they going to pay?
We don't want this system to fail because somebody is not doing his job. Yeah? You know what it is that, how the banding is done. How can they come to this committee without understanding how the Mwananchi is going to contribute to this scheme? It's not fair. CEO NHIF.
Thank you, Honorable Chair, Honorable Members. I will give a go to the response. And indeed, we initially had a means testing instrument whose accuracy levels were not as high as what we would have wanted. So we went back to improve on the means testing accuracy levels in the 8 counties that we have given. Honorable Chair, why we went back to these ones was not to do this exercise afresh, but to enhance accuracy levels. And when we went, indeed, we were able to identify where there was a problem, like the CS correctly articulated, and it was in the low income bands. With your kind permission, Honorable Chair and Honorable Members, let me explain one little thing. Owning a cow in Githunguri and owning a cow, please don't take offense, in Narok has different income implications. So now, after that, the material that is used to build your house and all those things, it is not one variable that is determining how much a household is supposed to pay. It is a number of variables that I think now we are using about 17 variables, ranging from your source of water, source of lighting, source of power, material building your house, and all those. So if we sat here and asked, if I have 2 cows, how much will I pay? The algorithm is informed by more parameters than these ones. But the one thing I will assure this House on oath is that the science behind is able to give the households.
Chair, the science is okay.
Let's give him time.
No, the science is okay. We agree.
But give us now
the new instrument.
Yes.
Now you have done it. The science is released.
Beginning tomorrow, how are people going to pay? And how much?
When you put in the various responses to the questions, then it will pick all those parameters and it picks the parameters. Kenyans will pay a number ranging from 300 shillings, depending on the income determined, all the way up. I did not want to give you information that is not based on a paper.
If I'm putting the information, all you want to know, you put your information, if you go star 147 or whatever, we put that information down. I get the number I should pay. Is that what's going to happen?
That is correct, Chair.
That is what you want us to tell us. So tomorrow when I go to church, I tell them, ukiweka hii namna hii, pesa utapata ni hii.
And Honorable Chair, there is one little thing I wanted to add. Kindly allow me, Honorable Chair.
Yes.
Thank you. We are so confident that the number that will come is good, that we have given a contestation mechanism should anyone contest the number. There is where they are filing their contest, and we shall be able to come back to them to show them how we were able to calculate. So we are not necessarily imposing the number on Kenyans.